Hey there. Alright, so part 2 says to simplify each expression. The answer to number 1, I'm going to show you what that answer is, but I want you to put it into your own words for number 1. So for number 2, it says simplify the expression 2 to the third power times 2 to the fourth power. So first you want to look at your bases. So we have the same base. Both of the bases are 2. So we're going to keep the base, and then we are going to take our exponents, and we're going to add them together. So what is 3 plus 4? 7. So 2 to the third power times 2 to the fourth power is equal to 2 to the seventh power, because we add the exponents. So let's look at number 3. So number 3, it says 8 to the first power times 8 cubed is equal to what? So we have to add our exponents. So we have the first exponent, which is a 1. Again, we keep our base, same base. We add the second exponent, so 1 plus 3 is 4. So it becomes 8 to the fourth power. And let's look at number 6, when you have two different bases. So we have 3 to the fourth power times x to the third power times x to the fifth power. So we have the first base we have is a 3. The other bases we have are x's. X's and a 3 are not the same base, so we're going to have two things in our final answer. So we're going to keep this part because there's no other 3's that we can combine with. So we will keep 3 to the fourth power. And then we're going to keep our base, which is the x, and then we're going to add our exponents because they're like terms, and we're multiplying. So we're going to do x, and then the exponent will be 3 plus 5, and 3 plus 5 is 8. So your final answer will look like this. You can only add the exponents and combine if you have the same base. So we could combine these two into making an exponent of 8, but we cannot combine all 3 because this is not the same base as the other two. Alrighty, let's look at one that's a little more difficult. I'm going to jump down to for numbers 2 through 6, you do not have to tell me what 3 to the fourth power is, but for 7 through 13, you're definitely going to want to do that. Alrighty, let's look at number 13, or 12. Let's do 12. Number 12 says you have negative 2 squared times x cubed times y to the fourth power times negative 3 squared times x to the fourth power times y to the fourth power. So first and foremost, you're going to be able to multiply those x's. So you're going to have x to the 3 plus 4, which is x to the 7th. You're going to do the same thing to your y's. So you have y, add the exponents. So you have y to the 8th. Now your numbers, you're going to tell me what this is, and then multiply them together. So negative 2 squared is negative 2 times negative 2. And negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. And then negative 3 squared is negative 3 times negative 3. And that equals 9, not 8. So now I have 4 times 9, and 4 times 9 is 36. So we were able to multiply the numbers together to get our final number. And then we combine the x's and the y's to have one base of each. So your final answer would look like this. Alright, let's look at number... I'm actually going to stop here. I'm going to go ahead and send this part to you. I have that teacher's call now, so I'm going to go ahead and join that. afterwards I will show you how to do, I will show you how to do a couple examples of 14 to 33, okay?